when I first came to Alberta here, when I talk about traditional Chinese medicine, some of my colleagues are not so comfortable, I can tell. But I was thinking that such a medicine comes from thousands of years they having practice. I don't see anything is going to be happen because they go by the experience of knowing that this is usefulness. That's why I want to share with my colleagues and friends that ancient medicine have a lot to offer. But we cannot just sitting in the ancient days. We have to promote this medicine into another level called more scientific way of explanation. And that is our duty. For this century, we have to make this medicine to be explainable in scientific way, but we should not forget about the arts of healing of the ancient medicine. It was very difficult, but you have to be patient because this is so new. If anything is new, everybody was skeptical, which is very healthy. I'm glad that they are skeptical because when they're skeptical, they are looking for more. When they look for more, and they find more, the answer will keep coming. So what I call it as a self-explanation.